means what? Suppose if you are trying to add any user account, any user, Venkat, user add Venkat, press enter button. Oh, permission denied. Yes. Okay, this is the fellow which is having 100% access, but some restrictions. Some restrictions. Restrictions in the means what? You must prefix with sudo for any command. Sudo user add Venkat. That's all. Then the Linux will accept. Otherwise, Linux will not accept. Okay. The first command is what? Just user add only. But now we have added sudo user add Venkat. Why you are adding as a sudo, sir? What is the reason? Simple. Because he is a sudo user. That means what? He is having a sudo access. Sir, what is sudo access, sir? Tomorrow's session, not today. Okay, tomorrow we'll discuss sudo access, sudo user. Okay, right now forget about all these things. Yes, whenever you want to work with the EC2 user, EC2 user is having some restrictions. Straight away, it is not possible to create users. Yes, you must prefix with sudo command. Otherwise, Linux will not create any user. Okay, suppose, sir, if I use this statement, is it possible to create a Venkat user? Simply possible. Simple. Press enter button. Oh, you must specify always sudo. In our organization also, we are a sudo users only. Yes. Suppose if you learn something and you enter into any IT company, yes, they will assign a task for you, but you must enter into as a sudo user only, not a root user. Pseudo user. Tomorrow we'll explain all these things. What is a pseudo user and everything we'll explain. Very, very important session. Right, okay. Now, every time using sudo, it is very difficult for me. That's why I am going to switch into root user. How to choose a root user? Sudo -i. Press enter button. Yes. Oh, root user is a person, okay, created by Linux user by default. But root user is having 100% access without any restrictions. Without any restrictions, the root user has been created. That's all. So that just root as a root user, just we use user add something called Venkatesh. Over. Not sudo. No, no, not sudo. Press enter button. Oh, simple, very simple, sir. Yes, user add Papa Rao. Press enter button. Simple. User add something called Satish. Okay, press enter button. User add something called Papa Rao, Satish, Venkat, Venkatesh, Manoj, like that. Press enter button. Okay, like that we can enter into. Okay, sir. But how should I provide a password for that users and everything, sir? Simple. Passwd. Okay, passwd. Simple. Passwd. Venkatesh or Venkat. Press enter button. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Afterwards, provide a password for Venkat. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Okay, good. Afterwards, provide a password for Satish. Oh, command. Oh, password. Simple. Password Satish. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Right. Afterwards, passwd. Anons. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's all. Good. Over. So we created a users and we created a password also. But sir, how to check the user, sir? Yes, tail etc passwd. We check all the users, or you can say tail -5 etc passwd also. Sir, what is the difference between tail and tail 5, sir? Simple, 5 lines will be displayed. five lines will be, last five lines will be displayed on the screen. That's all. Tail five lines only. Like that. That is the shortcut information. Only we display five lines. Sir, can I display two lines? Yes, you can. Tail -2 etc pass WD. Press enter button. Only two lines only. So as a root user, I have given only user ID command, but the Linux has given user ID and something called group ID, and this is what home folder. This is what shell environment for the user. Shell environment for user. This is background story. That's all. Okay, right. Okay. Now you can also find out a single user information also by using grep command. Grep. Okay. MANOJ monos. Okay. ETC PASSWD. Press enter button. Oh, you can also display a specific user also, no problem. Specific user account details also. But this user is having home directory Manoj. But what about ID 1005? 1005 is ID. But username is what? Manoj. Oh. Sir, I would like to modify this user ID. Is it possible? Yes, possible. We have already said very clearly. How to modify the user ID? Simple. To modify the user ID, just we use user mod command. Okay, this is what user mod -u, new user ID and username. That's all. Okay, sir, can you change the user ID, sir? Yes, simple. Simple, I can. Okay. So user mod. Okay, user mod hyphen u. Afterwards 1055. Okay, username is what? MANOJ. Press enter button. Okay, right. How to check the a specific user details, sir? grep MANOJ ETC pass WD. Press enter button. Oh, okay, right. Yes. 1055. 1055. That's all. Like that, Manoj's user ID changed. But sir, how to change the login name, sir? Login name or username? Simple, very simple. How to do that? So my username is here what? Manoj. But this is what? Manoj. Okay. Can I change the Manoj username as a S Manoj? Yes, you can. You can change the S Manoj also, no problem. Yes. How to change that? Simple. So user mod, user mod. Yes, friends, how to do that? Yes. Are you understanding, friends? How to change the username? Yes, friends.
-L.
User mod -L. Afterwards,
Username, sir.
New username.
Username.
yes, S Manoj. Okay. Afterwards,
Old username.
Old username.
old username is what? Manoj only. Oh, old username Manoj and new username S Manoj. But the new username is existed or not existed, friends? No, not at all
Not
existed. Not at all existed. So whatever the username you are supplying, that username will be created by Linux automatically, not by you, because this is not existing username. Okay, this is not existing username. So if I press enter button, suppose if I press enter button, yes. Oh, simple. Afterwards, check one more time. Grep. Okay, grep. Yes, friends, grep.
S Manoj.
Yes, Manoj. Okay, S Manoj only. S Manoj. Afterwards,
Forward
TT
slash see.
pass stability. Press enter button. That's all. Oh, S Manoj. S Manoj. Okay. Sir, everything is good, sir. Simple. But who is the S Monos, sir? I'm not finding. S Monos is a username. Okay. Who is this guy? Is a developer or a test engineer or a developer or sorry, DevOps engineer or a full stack developer or DB admin or front end, sorry, or release engineer? Okay, or something called network administrator or Linux administrator. But as a middleware admin, data scientist, no, there is nothing, no proof at all. That's why I would like to add some more information for this user. That means what? See, observe carefully. This is a column. Yes. Oh, this is a column, boss. Yes. 1 minute. Right. So now observe carefully. There is something called, yes, friends, colon. Yes, colon, nothing is there. But now in this space, I can add something called S monos is something my developer something. So now I can specify developer something or something called QA engineer, test engineer or DevOps engineer. Like that, I can specify a designation for them. Simple. So that I can understand, oh, he's a developer. Oh, he's a test engineer. Oh, he's a DevOps engineer. Like that we can. But how to do that? That means what? Just add some more details to the S monos. Details are available. ID is there and folder is available. Shell environment is available. But everything is available. But I don't know who is this guy. If I see this statement, I don't know who is this Manos. That's why I'm adding some other information to the Manos. This is also called as a comment. This is also called as comment in Linux. That means what? Just add a comment for the Manos user. Comment means what? Just is a developer or a test engineer or a DevOps engineer. Just add it. That's all. This is nothing but what? Comment inside a Linux. We consider as a comment inside a Linux. But how to do that task? To add a comment. Yes, how to do that? Simple. So, okay, for that we use something called C flag, C flag. So how to do that? Simple. Number five, modify or something called add user comment, or you can say comment. Yes. But how to do that? Simple. Very simple. Yes. How? User mod hyphen C. C means what? C means what? Comment. You can say comment hyphen C. Okay. What is the name for the, something called Manos? Developer. DEVELOP, my developer. And username is what? S Manos. MANOJ Manos. That's all. User mod hyphen C developer S Manos. C means what? Comment. Okay. C means comment. See, if I execute this statement, yes, friends, observe carefully. Oh, user mod hyphen C is my DVL developer S Manos. SMO Manos. Manos. That's all. Press enter button. Okay, now check one more time. grep S Manos MANOJ etc pass WD. Press enter button. Oh, developer came into picture. That's all. That means what? He's my developer. That's all. He's my S Manos is my developer. Okay. Oh, this is what? Username. This is what? Designation. Like that, we can proceed. Okay. Simple, very simple. Okay. Now, everything is easy, but right now, we explain user account lock and user account unlock. But how to do that? User account. First, let's say a simple, try to provide a login access for the Monos user. Simple. Monos user simple. So now, simple exit exit Oh, exit, exit, entire screen, entire session, I logged out. Simple. Now, just I go to Putty. So, selecting my profile, KK profile 1, load. So, after selecting the profile, you must press the load button. That's all. It will come to this place. Otherwise, the profile, if you are not loading your profile, the default options will come to you. Default screen will come to you. That's all. Okay. Default screen will be displayed to you. That's why you must, select the KK profile. Afterwards, load button. Afterwards, enter IP address. What is an IP address, boss? This is your IP address. IP address. Oh, copy this IP address and paste the IP address. That's all. SSH credentials. Browse. Open. So now EC2 -user. Press enter button. Now I would like to switch from EC2 user to root user. Sudo -i. Press enter button. Afterwards, yes, this is my root user screen. That's all. But now, as of now, I would like to provide a server access to the my concerned development team or testing team or DevOps team or some other security professionals team or admins team, whoever they are, no problem. But how to do that? Simple. Uh, Go to this file. The file name is what? SSHD underscore config. Press enter button. No, it's not like that. If you want to open any file, just we use nano. Nano is a text editor tool. Why, sir? Why you use the text editor tool? Because I need to modify some lines inside a SSD configuration file. I want to add some text inside my configuration file. Modification purpose. Okay, nano. But where the file is available, sir? That's why /etc SSH. That's all. /etc SSH are all folders only. Inside this folder, just SSHD configuration file is available. That means what I'm telling to the Linux, hey Linux, please open this file immediately. Okay, that is what nano. Nano is a text editor. Press enter button. Okay, see this is what file. The file will be opened in the edit mode. The file will be open in the edit mode. Once you open this file in edit mode, just scroll down and it is showing you password authentication, something called password authentication. Oh. Check one more time, boss. Slowly. Okay. Password authentication. Yes. Just no. Okay. Just no. Simply yes. No option. So no option is available. And instead of no, I use S option here. That's all. Only S option. Okay. Now just type S. And after typing S option, S simple, Control O. Control O means what? Save content, save the modification. Press enter button. Afterwards, Control X over. So now just we use service command. Sir, why service required? Because we need to restart the service because we have done some modification inside a SSHD configuration file. So if you modify anything inside a configuration file, that concerned service must be restarted. Otherwise, it will not get effect. It will not take place the updation. That's why the concerned service must be started. The concerned service must be started. The concerned service is what? SSHD. This is a concerned service. We need to restart again. So to restart again, to stop the service, we use the service command. Service is a command which is used to restart the service, start the service, stop the service, check the status of the service also. Service SSD, STATUS, status, but right status, RESTART, restart, press enter button, restarted. Once you've done all these things, just go back to development team or testing team and send a mail. Hey boss, now you can proceed and now you can log into your terminals, so that they will log in that their respective terminal. But how they log in? Just like something called, so they are like putty, simple. Assume that simple example. Afterwards, I'll show you advanced level also. If I start advanced level, you people may be something called afraid everything, right? Okay, now go to profile number 2, or you can also go to Venkatesh profile also. Yes, load, and afterwards host name, oh sorry, IP address, oh, server IP address. Open. Okay, afterwards login as something called VENKTES, Venkatesh profile. Press enter button. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Yes. Like that, I can log Venkatesh profile. Okay. Now I can also log into some other profile also. No problem. No. But I would like to log the Venkatesh user immediately. Log the Venkatesh user immediately. Okay. How to log that? Simple. So go to root user, log the Venkatesh user. How to log? User mod -L. Okay, user mod -L. Username is what? VNKTESH. Venkatesh. Press enter button. Lock. Oh, Venkatesh user has been locked. That's all. Now, as of now, Venkatesh user in the session. Okay. They completed their task and they log out the session. Just LOGOUT. Press enter button. Venkatesh logged out successfully. But after next day, Venkatesh is trying to log into the server. Okay. And is opening the putty tool and loading his profile and providing IP address. Sorry, providing server IP address. SSH authentication credentials, browse, open, login as a VNKA Venkatesh, press enter button. Password 1, 2, 3, press enter button. Oh, Venkatesh, hey, access denied. Oh, it is not possible to log in this mission, not possible, access denied, because you have been locked. That's all. You have been locked by someone else. That's why Venkatesh not able to enter into this session terminal server. Okay, because he is in vacation mode. After completion of vacation mode, then he will come and they will raise the ticket. Hey boss, please provide me login access. Okay. After coming back to the office, he will say that, hey, please provide a login access for me. Like that, they can raise the ticket and the ticket can be resolved by a root user or some other ones. Yes. Now a ticket has been raised. Simple. Saying that, hey, please unlock me, please unlock me, or please provide an access. As soon as we receive this request from the Venkatesh user, as a root user, just we use user mod with the approval of manager only, not by you. No, 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 no. You are not the one to take any decision inside a project. Yes, they must agree. They must, send a message or SMS or something. Some fellows, excellent fellows calling, hey, root user, please unlock the Venkatesh user. Like that, they are calling. No, 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 boss, please send me text message also or send me email for confirmation. Otherwise, I cannot do that because there will be some other problem also. That's why, please, straight away, please ask the manager, hey, please provide a mail. Please provide a confirmation mail saying that, hey, please unlock the Venkatesh user, like that only. Don't use phone calls and WhatsApp chats and everything. If it is necessary, go for WhatsApp chats and everything, but it is nothing is there. Just to use official email IDs. Yes, for conversation purpose. Now, user mode, just you means what? Unlock. Unlock Venkatesh user. VNKATESS Venkatesh. Press enter button. Unlock. Okay. After that, Venkatesh can able to log into their respective session. Simple. Now go to duplicate session. Oh, login as a VNKATESH. Press enter button. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Afterwards, simple, very simple. You can work for that. Easy, very dead easy, boss. Simple, simple. Okay. In this way, we need to work inside a real-time project. Simple. Okay. Simple. Very, very simple, boss. Very, very easy task. Simple task.